Welcome to Benzoville Select. Elevate your home with the captivating Capur door handle collection, crafted in Italy. The opulent old gold finish of the Capur door handle on plate exudes timeless luxury, while the antique satin bronze finish adds a touch of vintage charm to your space. The sleek Capur door handle with rose in old gold finish embodies understated elegance. Experience the perfect fusion of style and function with the distinguished Capur handles, a testament to refined living. Call us today for appointments or visit our Benzoville showroom.